How to find your Windows product key. Using advanced registry query, you can extract the key from the system by querying the registry directly. Type CMD in the search bar and run command prompt as an administrator. Run this command, reg query. This is a Windows command line tool used to query the registry. It allows users to view and retrieve specific information from the Windows registry. H key, local, machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, NT, current version, software protection platform. This specifies the path in the Windows registry. The V switch tells the reg query command to look for a specific value in the registry key. In this case, it is searching for BackupProductKeyDefault. BackupProductKeyDefault is a registry value that may contain a backup of the Windows product key if it is being saved by Windows. This command will search the registry for the product key stored in the Software Protection Platform section. There you have it. Enjoy.